Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody trying to make a pattern like this, but they're getting this. This is what they sent me. And then he actually told me what he's doing, and I now understand what he's doing. He's just leaving out one step. We're going to go ahead and make this black by right-clicking, and we're going to make it thicker than a hairline. And then I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to rotate it 2 degrees. But what happens when you continue Control D, you're getting a circle, which is still a cool pattern, but he's just leaving out one step. I'm going to hit P, put in center page. I'm going to make a rectangle. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. What he needs to do for Control D to work, Control D to make a duplicate and let's go 96%. Nope, that's too much. Let's go 98%. We want it pretty close, but then, and see, I've already messed up because Control D is not going to work. But then we want to rotate it again, but we don't want it touching. See, Control D is not going to work, so you need to do that all, and this is where he's having trouble. Control D, 7%, and then rotate it, and you want those two lines touching but not overlapping. And now Control D is going to work. That's pretty cool. Now, what you need to do is hit F12 on your keyboard with all those selected and scale with object. That way we can make this thing any size we want. We're going to make it 5 inches and see the line stay the same. You really want to do that before, you can't do just on the one because it'll actually change. So now we've got this thing set on 5 inches. Let's set our nudge factor on 5. And we're going to group this, Control G, and then Control D to make a duplicate and move it over. But then we're going to mirror it and watch what happens. Then we can Control D and click the arrow twice. Then we can Control D and click down and actually mirror this to get that look. Now that you've got that pattern, you can Control D and cursor down twice. So now you have a box and you can group that together and put it in the center of the page. It's a pretty cool design because you're going to have some solid black. I'm thinking about engraving this because there's, this will be solid black and everything else will be the color of the wood. Let's say if we're going to use never have really found a good color of wood. Let's say this gold, and then go up to object, order, back of page. That's what it's going to look like on wood. So this solid, where all the lines are meeting, are going to be pitch black, and all this other stuff's going to be wood. And see how they match up? That's pretty cool. So that's cool within itself too. That's a pretty cool graphic. Anyway, I hope that helped and answered his question, and thank you for watching.